Good. So you're going to grab a wrist, reach your arms up to the sky. Open the front of the body. So the hip's going to gently press a little forward. And then exhale as you bend forward. Flatten your back as you lower yourself down for full body flow. Feel this wonderful stretch of your back and legs. Soften your knees. Curl your tailbone under. Slowly roll up through your spine. As you do so, lift your arms up the front of your body. Take a deep breath in. Hips forward, open, and then exhale as you bend forward. So full body flow opens all the muscles and the joints in the body and encourages that circulation of energy throughout the entire body. Also balances that yin and yang energy in the body, this extension of the back and this flexion forward. Take your time. Let's do one more. And then we roll up through the spine. Arms lift up. And then the arms open out and down. Bring your legs and feet a little bit closer. Let's take the arms out to the sides. Go ahead, spread your fingers. And just draw your shoulder towards your ear. Draw your shoulders down away from your ear. And then roll the head back and forth over that shoulder. Stretching out the lines of tension in the neck and shoulders and upper back. So we have a midline of tension on the side of the neck. And then we have a line of tension in the front of the neck that gets stretched here. And then a line of tension along the back of the neck that gets stretched here. Nice, easy, deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more time. Good, and then bring your chin to your chest and roll your head over to the other side. And then roll the head forward. Roll it back. Roll it forward. Roll it back. Good, and last time rolling it forward. Bring your chin to your chest, relax your arms, lift your head. Felt good. Okay. Whew. All right, so now we're gonna do leg swings. So leg swings helps loosen up the hips, but also strengthens the hips and works on balance. So my legs are about as wide as my shoulders. I'm gonna shift my weight over to one side. I'm gonna lift that opposite leg. I'm going to turn this leg and hip towards the standing leg, and the leg is going to go in. Then I'm going to externally rotate it out, lift the knee up, and then lower the leg down. So I shift, I internally rotate, I externally rotate, I lift, and I lower. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a nice little flow. Find your own rhythm. Really try to relax in the hip as you swing the leg. Nice easy breath. One more time each side. Oh, that felt great on my hips. Okay,